Today, we're discussing the steps needed to get your trucking authority. If you're ready to hit the open road and run your own trucking business, you'll want to stick around for this. First up, let's talk about what a trucking authority actually is. Simply put, it's the government permission you need to operate a commercial trucking business. Think of it as your business license for the road. Without it, you can't legally haul loads for hire. Now, getting your trucking authority isn't as simple as filing a single application. There are several steps involved. It all starts with registering your business. This means choosing a business structure, like a sole proprietorship or LLC, and getting a tax ID number. Next, you'll need to apply for a US DOT number. This number is crucial because it identifies your company with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or FMCSA. It tracks your safety record and compliance with regulations. Another important step is getting an MC number. This number is specific to your operating authority and is necessary if you plan to haul goods across state lines. The process can be a bit complicated, but that's where FMCSA Registration.com comes in. We specialize in making this process smooth and hassle-free. After you've got your DOT and MC numbers, it's time to think about insurance. You'll need liability insurance and sometimes cargo insurance, depending on what you're hauling. Insurance providers will look at factors like your safety record and the type of cargo you carry to determine your rates. Don't forget about the BOC3 filing. This is a form you need to designate a process agent in every state you operate in. Basically, it ensures there's someone in each state who can receive legal documents on your behalf. Lastly, you need to understand the International Registration Plan, IRP, and the International Fuel Tax Agreement, IFTA. These programs allow you to pay your registration and fuel taxes fairly when driving across multiple states. Remember, the road to getting your trucking authority can be bumpy, but with the right guidance and support, you can navigate it successfully. That's why we recommend using FMCSA Registration.com for expert help. We're the #1 online service provider in the transportation industry, assisting motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the United States with FMCSA registration compliance. Visit FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the trucking world. Safe travels, and we'll see you next time.